That's the problem when you're just yapping and having a nice time in the middle. Forget everything else I'm meant to do. Anyway, please don't criticise me too much, gentlemen and ladies. Never know. I'm doing my best. To be fair, I'm quite good. Anyway, there you go. It's being recorded. I think we're recording.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Advantage the Ref Cam. Just look up POV referee on YouTube and you'll find it. Soon to be launched is the podcast Our Rugby Club, just so you know. Yeah, for community level rugby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Am I missing a player or has he just walked on? Oh, there he is. I was going to say you're one light. Are we all good? Okay, let's play to this whistle, yeah? Happy days, yeah, make sure you're behind the kicker though. Let's get that right. Thank you.
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Come to you, John!
I've missed you, I have.
That's not going anywhere. Knock on, scrum.
Next job, boys. We'll move on to the grasser.
If you can find some. Put some ash over my back garden.
Remember what I said, please, gentlemen. Let's try and make sure we've got stability first, yeah? How many times do you win against the head? Not often, so let's be sensible.
Seconds. All the time we do. Seconds it.
Okay, gentlemen. I'll have number 8s in on the bind, please. Crouch! Bind! Okay, I'm not happy.
Drop it.
I'm not happy. I don't want to see heads on shoulders.
Yeah, this was.
Please, it's ear to ear. If you need a ½ inch, just take a ½ inch.
Youthful exuberance, sir.
Because I could see the weight coming on. We don't want that. It's not good for your necks, let alone anything else, gentlemen. Let's go again.
Come!
Let's go!
Crouch! Bind! Set!
2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3.
Hey!
Yeah, fold it. You're on.
Bring it back!
Who's winning? Lucky. Kill it!
Play on!
Okay. Clearly you want a scrum, so I'll give it you.
You've got purpose, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Luke. Speak to him about the gap. Yeah, he's silly. Give it another go. Yeah, he comes straight on me.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go, boys, yeah?
I'll step there.
What's that? Closer. Oh.
Crouch! Bind! Set!
Ready, ball in! Hey, out! Full side! Go!
Take him wider! Hold. Yeah, 4! 1, 2, go! Play! Pressure, boys! No, that's right.
Yeah, calm it down, boys.
Good, lads.
Here's your mark.
Good. Good. Coming in. Two's coming in. Yeah, two's in. And Michael. Get off early.
Yep.
Crouch!
Yep. Sink.
Bind! Set!
Ready! Come on, you're on. Ready! He's lost his feet, so.
Okay, thank you.
A set closer.
I can't really move you to any better land, I'm sorry.
Corner.
Yeah.
I'm in the soil survey.
Let's
Don't know why he slips there.
let's try again. Make sure your feet are under your hips, gentlemen. That's probably the easiest way to look at this. Let's go again.
He's going to get fouled if he puts his feet under his hips. I'm going to foul him. Coming in. Down, Jimmy, son. Down, Jimmy.
Crouch!
Now listen to him, he's in your head.
Bind! Set!
Ready. Ball in. Take big. Ball up.
Over that, Jack.
Carry it.
Yeah, no.
It's all good.
Hold it. Look back. At the line, boys, at the line.
Backwards! It's okay, you're on the floor, it's not a problem, but you're protecting the ball, you need to make it available. Just no clear release there on the floor. That's perfect.
Take a step, fellas.
So, do you mind just watching the 8 taking that extra roll on the floor, Pete?
Yeah, I saw that. I don't think there was a jackal there to be had though. There's your mark.
Yeah.
No, try.
You're not quite 10.
Pop it. Yes, sir.
That's perfect, we'll go with that. Okay. That was not straight at the line out by red. It's a blue option, line out or scrum. Scrum on the 15.
Hey, we've got a bit of good ground going now, look.
No advantage coming, not straight.
No, you go to the line house. Bit of good ground underneath us now, yeah?
You're in the 22. I'll give this in the 22.
Coming in.
Let's go, second. Yeah, big shove on, boys.
That's a big gap.
Crouch!
Ready?
Bind!
Go!
Set!
Ready, move in.
Come on! Yeah, that's fine.
All gone.
Yeah, we're 22 tonight. Come on, Scotty! Over that! Good midfield!
Cool, that hit.
Chaser!
Yeah, he's on.
It's all on now.
Look on.
Time, Woody! Good hands, go!
Yes, we there, Foggy.
Get over the line!
Make sure your back foot.
Nice. Fever! Whack him! Numbers here! Look! Tighten.
Okay, ball's available.
Sorry, no.
Carry on!
Go watch it. Pick right.
Get across, get across.
Come in,
Yeah!
Number 3, playing it on the floor. Playing on the floor. That was a good jackal, then you went on the floor.
I got myself.
Oh, sorry, sir, I thought it was out.
Yeah, all day, yeah.
Holding on, diving on the floor.
Yeah, no, bullshit and cool.
Archie, rebind on me. Yeah?
That looks good. Let's go, gentlemen.
Ben, go!
It's an early left, I'll take it as it is.
Push him, roll it.
Okay.
Look at this hit now.
No, I'm not in your way.
Come out! Hold! Fucking stick here! Hold him up! Release! Release!